Start recording. All right. We got Breeze. We got Reyna. We missed Jet. That's all right. That's his comfort pick. He auto-locked it. He's comfortable with it. I am being a better person is comfortable with both.
It's hard to embrace a mystery chamber. Open up to us.
I'm sure this Jet's gonna take mid, so I'm gonna take A. Oop, I can't. Forget I can't glide. We practiced in deathmatch for this. To play like this. Nothing A.
Nothing B.
One B door.
Mid.
Oh, multiple. Unknown last. Where is he?
Mid.
Mid. Nice. Good shit, everyone.
Oh, bro.
We are buying this round.
B. Sky flashed.
Coming. Jet, play with me. I have both flashes for you.
Spike down B. Spike down.
Spikes down, last unknown.
Main.
Main, okay. I'm watching elbow from.
She has Marshall.
Tunnel. Nice. Good shit, team. Alright,
Want a bonus here?
Yeah,
we bonus.
Viper, you can chill on the buy. You don't need it. I promise you that. You're good, man. You're good.
This is gonna be fun.
Ah. Sorry, Viper.
B. I heard Spike.
I'm going for a flank. Try to get a gun.
Yeah.
They broke B door. B wall. One going elbow.
Are they on Viper?
One elbow. Sky's elbow.
Spike down B.
Where was he? On A? Good shit.
There's a gun anywhere? I got one.
Yes. All right.
They have to go ahead now.
Oh, let's not stack though. We have guns. They don't. Both sides normally we'll still win. Oh, we're stacking. All right.
A.
Not in. But just kidding. Two more A main. Two more A main. Could be one lurking mid. Nice. One more main for sure.
This sheriff.
Enemy remaining.
One more.
Spike down.
Can you grab that op behind you, Reyna?
Up. Yes, yes, I got it.
Go looks, go looks.
The enemy only looks good.
Hell yeah.
I'll op B.
You need me to take mid?
Yeah, sure.
I think I sent some tilt. I need to ult this round. One's mid. Mid's dead.
Guy was elbow, B elbow.
I'm watching out elbow.
Alright.
Dinked. He's low.
Alright.
This guy's one shot. Could get heal.
I had B. Just wanna watch mid.
Spike.
Spike is down. Spike is down on B.
Both are there.
He slowed B man.
Nice.
Nice.
Good shit, everyone. Good shit. Flash. Sky on A. Viper's on A. Reyna's on A. Sky's a sheriff. Careful. Close. Dead.
Spike planted.
One's heading backside.
Last one main.
Nice.
An op. Nice.
Yes. Good cons, guys. Okay, I have to ult this one. Oh, whatever. They're not. Alright, they're tilt buying. Look at their economy. I do have ult. I want to play it this round. I can't hold mid with ult. I hear A lot A.
I've got your trail.
Coming.
Where was he?
Mid-air.
Very well.
Spike planted.
Yell's dead. Smoke's going down. Nice.
Nice. Oh my god.
Great play.
Okay, bye, goodbye. B.
Rotating.
Mid.
Elbow one. You don't hit this shot. Oh, nobody.
Spike.
Came out tunnel, came out tunnel.
All good, all good.
Good try.
Even with numbers, anything can still happen. Remember that.
I can buy you, Viper. At all? Okay, okay.
Okay. I'm gonna flash out mid doors in 3 seconds and see if I can get some control here. You wanna peek with me, Chamber? 1, 2, 3.
B.
In it, he's in it.
Backside one, backside.
Probably go A. Planning A.
Planting. This guy's mid door. One bridge.
Player standing.
My bad, team.
If you must fall, then fall near me.
Let's buy around. Make it worth. Make it worth. Make it worth. Grab shrimp.
B.
Aim is clear. I gotta use this ult.
Elbow.
Ready?
B.
I'm coming. There's one on A main. A doors.
Yeah, over B wall.
There's one CT.
Player standing.
2 CT.
Spike planted.
Good try. Diagonal peeking. No good.
This place is nice, but not nice enough to die in. Let's win and get out of here.
Sending. I'm saving. Yes.
Let's do some crazy shit.
No prisoners.
I see 2 on A main. How'd I not get out?
B and also mid.
They're defaulted. 1 on site A.
Mid. At least 2.
Here.
Spike
What's
planted.
that called? Shoot. Alright. There's one backside, 1 on pillar. Pillar's dead.
Last player standing.
Whoa. Bro. Great save round.
Last round in the half.
We can't take anything with us.
Flash on A, wall on A, dog on A. Stage is on A.
Spike planted.
Corner. Nice.
Nice, nice.
Not a mini map.
Switching sides.
What would you call that? What you call this? Left of main. Let's hit B.
Yes.
I'm gonna flash out. How about I'll flash for this? Jet, I need you to enter on side with me. I trust you can do it.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Hell yeah, good energy. Break this.
Linked around.
Flashing on.
Spike down B.
Backside 1. Backside 2. Backside sheriff. Careful.
Flank.
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 Player standing.
Good try. Saving. Let's do a crazy save strat. Let's go mid to A, and then we're gonna go to their spawn. Mid to A, going to their spawn. Ready? I'm gonna flash us through a door. Oh no, I'm dead. No flash, no flash. There's one nest.
Spike down. Player standing.
Oh, good try.
Toxin screen down.
I needed that wall up faster. Nice.
NC, NC.
Oh yeah, we got 2 on our save. Huge.
I know what must be done.
I'm gonna try like a B, like put a wall, just like.
On me.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay, so watch out for this. Pop flash. I think Sky plays somewhere around here.
Sky plays B.
Sky plays B? Okay, this is free then. I'm still gonna flash us in, ready? I hear one close. Flashing again.
Just
Come
play
in
on top of
with
the
me.
wall. Play on top of the wall.
I killed her, Come in. I think one yellow. Shit, I'm low. Thank you. One bridge. Two bridge. Oh. Insane. Did I have a flash? Oh, good try. Jet? I don't like it. $18-11.
I'm saving.
Saving. Oh, save, right? The Reyna has ult.
Spike down. B. Last player standing.
Sorry.
All good. Alright, Sky plays B, plays A. Paige fucking either plays A or B. She fucking Sky or fucking Reyna plays top. We just do let's split. Let's just 5-man door.
5-man door? Alright.
5-man door. Let's 5-man door.
I
Throw
want
a
this.
blind across.
Okay. I want this wall, like, up. Alright. I'm gonna flash us in. Oh, wait, slow,
We're
slow,
slow.
slow. I'm waiting slow. Alright, ready? One. Open doors. What was that?
Player standing.
By the wall.
Opponent's killed.
Two bridge.
What will it be this time?
That's good. Good try, good try. I can still buy. Alright. Do we have to save here?
Yeah, probably.
Oh shit. One flank. Okay. They're rotating really fast. We could do a fake. Uh, me and Viper, fake A. Everyone else go B. You guys stay quiet B. You guys are gonna have a free side. I guarantee it. I'm gonna use a flash. You have to use your wall. Deny them as much info as possible. I'm rotating back now. Sage opping close mid. Dead.
B is free, B. Come.
B is free, let's go. One elbow.
Let's just chill.
Good shit.
One enemy remaining.
Mid door, mid door.
Mid door. Alright, everyone chill.
Better grab up.
What's wrong with me? Sorry. I pop Reyna roll and just want to freak out, huh? I go crazy. Just want to get nervous. Alright. I can buy one. I got you. Oh wait, you're upping? That's good.
Yeah, I mean, I picked it up. I picked it up last round. Let me try to get a pick B window. We can just
I'm
play
at
for
the-
picks right now.
Chamber got off too. Let's play for picks. We hold things and we get free picks.
Yeah. I want that.
I'm gonna hold our mid.
Just dropped
It's
it.
good. How's A looking? Sage is on A. I think we go back. How's B looking?
He's looking alright. Really see anyone, but Viper was here.
I'm gonna make presence mid.
Yeah.
One closed door on Raptors. Someone's there. One's nest. Sky's nest. Sky and Jet are next. The Sage.
For your trial.
Both on B, both on B, both on
Last two. Come with me. There's one here. Careful. It's not there anymore. Nice.
Alright, I got that out. CT.
Where is it?
I have it.
Nice.
You got it, you got it.
Oh yeah. We do another fake. They'll never
We're doing
expect
all
it.
fake.
Yeah, be quiet on B. I'll tell you guys what's on A. Viper, let's get out. We don't want to die here. There's not much on A. I haven't seen anyone at least. Good shit.
You will not kill my allies.
Where was that? On B?
On B.
Okay. Oh, they're gonna come mid. This is free.
Ace free.
40 Sage.
For both B side.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Let them try again.
Huge mid off angle. You can never get to the door. I'm so convinced to just say do it again. Do it again, do it again. Run it back, they'll never expect it. Actually, Viper, I'm gonna push A with you. I have ult.
Door. Jet is on door.
Ooh, that's a lot of people on A. I'm waiting for their wall to go down. Flashing. Oh, 2 on A, 2 on A. Wait, 3 on A. Go B. Oh yeah.
One enemy remaining.
TT. Nice, nice. Good shit, Jet.
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
Match point.
Okay, now we gotta go A, like all of us.
Yes.
Everyone who's been quiet this whole time, stay quiet. Me and Viper are gonna make all the noise, alright?
They're kind of broke here.
Oh yeah. Wait for this slow, wait for Alright, on this second flash, we're gonna go out. Ready? 3, 2, go.
I have pyramid. I'm holding pyramid.
Wall down, wall down. One stairs, yellow.
Down A. Standing.
Oh, good try. We stacked, eh?
Let's go B, let's go B.
Alright, let's go B. No, I don't think they stacked. They rotated so fast. Never learned lesson. Up, down, let's go. Backside is clear.
Go play window.
One's wall. Wall's dead, wall's dead. Up, holding a CT. I'm holding out CT.
Stay alive, stay alive. I have bomb. Stay alive. Please don't peek. Don't peek, Viper.
Okay, okay, okay.
Tunnel. Yeah.
Nice, nice. Woo! Good shit, team. That's how we do it. What a good game.